Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we've been working on this 2011 61 plate BMW Z4. So we fitted one of our custom roof modules so that you can remotely open it through your key fob and close it and all this sort of stuff, but we've also programmed in some extra features because the car allowed us to do it. So in this particular case, we've done the folding wing mirrors, we've done the one touch open and the one touch close, and also it will allow you to open and close the roof whilst the vehicle is in motion up to 34 miles an hour. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you the folding wing mirrors that we've done. Obviously your BMW has to have electric folding mirrors anyway, and the car also has to let this function happen. Some BMWs just will not let the module do what it wants to do. So simply to fold them out, one unlock, your mirrors then fold out. Very simply, when you come to lock the vehicle, one lock again. Sorry, it's a bit windy, it might be picking up on the microphone. Okay, so that's your mirrors that are folding in and out. If you want to remotely open the roof, all you do is you get your unlock button here, 3 presses, 1, 2, 3. The mirrors will fold out, windows going down, and even though it's a 61 plate, the mechanism on this Z4 is very smooth and very quick. Some of the other cars can be a bit slow and a bit sort of lethargic, but this is actually quite quick. So the roof nicely hides away in the rear boot space. Rear trunk finishes, and then the windows then pop back up to show that it's then completed its manoeuvre. You can then lock the car. Mirrors will fold in, and then your roof's open. So great for a hot sunny day if you're at the pub and you want to open the roof to let some of the heat out. Now if you want to remotely lock and close the roof, it's free of the lock. 1, 2, 3. Mirrors will go down, sorry, windows will go down, the rear boot opens up, and then the roof is then opening out. Closes into position and then finishes its manoeuvre, and once it's finished, the mirrors are already up, the windows will come up in a minute, and then your vehicle's locked and all that sort of stuff, so that you can remotely do it. So really great bit of kit. It's only 260 quid for the module. You can fit it yourself, there's instructions included in the kit, and it's very simple to follow, or if you're not that way inclined, you can pay us to do it for you. We can do this to a variety of BMWs, the 1 Series, the 3 Series, the 4 Series. Then there's other brands like Mercedes, Audi, Lamborghini, all of those types of cars that have got a remote roof. So if you want something like this, get in touch. If you enjoy our videos, it means a lot to us if you can like the video and subscribe to our channel if you like this sort of stuff. Really helps us out. And if you want to buy this particular module and get us to fit it, or just fit it yourself, the link to purchase will be in the description and down here, and then up there somewhere in the video you'll see some cards that YouTube are pushing to show the product on our website. So if you need anything else, just comment below, ask any questions, or get in touch with us directly with the website. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and thanks for watching.